Very good evening to respected sisters, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. I am Avni Pandey along with my classmate from senior KG Rose class. Wish you all a cheerful evening. Let's begin the assembly. Prayer purifies our mind and soul. So, with a positive attitude and a smile to the world, I invite Navesh Srivastava for the prayer, followed by prayer song by Arif Pandey.
Thank you, Avni. Join your hands, close your eyes. Our Father in heaven, holy be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is heaven. Give us today our daily bread. Forgive our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Thank you.
God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. So high, you can't get over it. So deep, you can't get under it. So wide, you can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love.
Thank you, Nav and Arif. As a citizen of India, we have some duties towards our country, pledging presence of loyalty among us. So over to Riyanj Bhosle for the pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and very heritage. I shall always want to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Koreans, a new day is a new beginning and a new hope. A small positive thought can change our life. So to brighten up, I would like to call Ina Khan for the thought of the day.
Thought of the day is stopping pollution is the best solution. I repeat my thought, stopping pollution is the best solution.
Thank you, Naya. Based on this thought and to create awareness among us, let me call Ronan, Samruti and Ashika to share their views on environment.
Good evening, everyone. I am Ronan Shane Myers and I am going to speak about land pollution. When we first think of pollution, we often think of trash by the side of the road. In a very simple way, this type of pollution is called land pollution. Anything that damages or dirties the land is called land pollution. There are many causes of land pollution, from the trash we throw away in our homes to waste produced in giant factories, construction sites, mining activity, etc. Sometimes chemicals from the trash contaminate the soil and also the groundwater we need for drinking. Land pollution is not only harmful to us but also to animals. It also destroys the beauty of nature. There are many things we can do to reduce land pollution. One of the simplest ways to do this
is to reduce, reuse or recycle items so that less waste is created. We can reduce pollution by segregating our waste in this manner. Thank you.
Hi friends, I'm Samriti. Today I'm here to talk about water pollution. Water pollution is a very serious environmental issue that we are facing right now. Water gets polluted when we from industries and our houses can mix with our water sources and oceans. Water pollution is very responsible for impacting the lives of humans and animals as well. You might think that the water you drink daily is clean, but it contains pollutants. Thus, we need to adopt measures that will help to prevent water pollution on a global level. These are the ways to reduce water pollution. Say no to plastic. Do not throw oil in the sink. Grow more plants near in water sources. Do not grow chemicals in water sources. Reuse plastic. Avoid throwing household items in the toilet. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Yashika Narkani. I am from Senior KG Rose. Today, I want to share information about air pollution. It happens due to gases, dust, and smoke that gets into the air and makes it dirty. It is horrible for humans, animals, and plants. There are many causes for air pollution. Smoke from factories, power plants, vehicles and planes causes air pollution. It is so irritating. Let's see what are the effects of air pollution on us. It causes headache, lung disease, and many more. Damage to trees, vegetables, fruits, and flowers. We need to control air pollution, for which we should use public transport for short distance, use bicycle or go walking, switch off lights, television, and all other things when not in use. Always recycle and reuse, use paper bags and avoid plastic. Most importantly, plant more trees. Thank you.
Yes, indeed, we must stop pollution. Now I call upon our beloved class teacher, Preeti ma'am, to express her views and convey her message.
Thank you, Avni. A very good evening to one and all. Today, I would like to share my opinions on pollution, which is one of the biggest problems we are facing today. It has become one of the most concerning issues for our planet and mankind. In other words, pollution is responsible for disturbing the ecosystem. Moreover, it impacts our lifestyle severely and also contributes greatly to global warming. As the world is getting modern, pollution is also enhancing day by day. My lovely students explained very well about the different types of pollution and its preventive measures. It has become rather essential to learn the causes, the types, and to deal with this major issue. We must take the initiative to solve this problem as an individual and should take the steps to bring pollution under control. We should always try to stop it because it causes several diseases which is harmful for humans, plants and animals. We should take the measures and pledge that we will stop pollution and make our country Swachh Bharat. Thank you.
Thank you, Preeti ma'am. So, friends, search for a solution to avoid pollution. Go green to breathe clean. Thank you.